So one thing I really like in the book, The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, is that he kind of splits up time into these two separate concepts. So we have our clock time and our psychological time. In our clock time, well, as you can guess, is the time the clock says. So this can be used to, this is used to know what time to go to school, or what time is our appointment, or what time is this at, or whatever, right? Those are all examples of clock time. And not only that, but we can also use clock time, so we can use, certain events or things we did in the past to help make us better and to help us improve. And we can also use it to set goals that are meaningful and fulfilling to us. However, the key with this is that there is no emotional attachment, all right? We simply see things exactly how they are, and that's it, all right? However, once we get taken kind of more out of the present and we start focusing more on the past or more on the future, that's when we start slipping into psychological time. And psychological time is basically your emotional attachment and build-up of things that happened in the past or things that might happen in the future. It's your identification with the past and projection into the future, right? And psychological time takes on many forms, such as depression and regret, which are very kind of past tense type emotions, or past tense psychological time. And it can also take on forms of more future tense, negative emotions, right? Or kind of like future tense psychological time, right? So what we need to understand is that as long as we are staying present, staying in the now, right? As long as our mind is fully identified and fully present with the now, all these negative emotions don't technically exist anymore because we are fully present, right? And if these emotions still exist, that means our mind is still identified with them and that we are still worrying about, the future or the past. Our mind is not fully in the present when we have these emotions, all right? And I'm gonna go into this in further videos on, even the last video I had was a good video on how to, really manage these negative emotions and whatnot. And I'm gonna go into more techniques into future videos. But yeah, that's basically all I wanna say for now. So yeah, this is the difference between psychological time and clock time. I hope you guys found this really useful, and yeah, that's pretty much the lesson, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.